Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing very well. I hope you're learning a lot from our lessons. Today I'm going to teach you about profit and loss. So, trading and commerce is going all around us. उसमें क्या होता है? It involves selling or trading of goods and services. It involves, what do? We either buy things or sell things. They can be goods or even services. आप किसी भी शॉप पे जाएं, जिधर भी जाएं, everywhere profit and loss is going on. But what is it? Let's learn a short example. There's a shopkeeper who bought a chocolate for ₹10. But when I went to the shop, he sold it to me for ₹15. This is trading and he made either profit or loss. This is all commerce. It is the most common activity in daily life. It is where buying and selling is going on. There's a lot of arithmetic, there's use of ratios, proportions and percentage and even fractions. They use all four operations to calculate the profit and loss or interest. To learn more about the specific topic, that is profit and loss, we learn it through a detailed example. So, this is our vegetable vendor named Aslam. He bought vegetables for ₹3,000. But he paid for other expenses as well. What are they? He paid ₹150 to his assistant. He paid ₹100 for bills and ₹100 for fuel. By evening, he sold all the vegetables for ₹4,800, which is 4,800. So did he make a profit or loss? Because he had a lot of expenses as well. And if he made a profit or loss, how much was it? Let's try solving it. Let's first calculate all his expenses. How much did he buy the vegetables for? ₹3,000. He paid to his assistant ₹150. He paid for bills ₹100. And he paid for fuel ₹100, which means his total expenses are, we have to add all these and our answer is 3,350. He paid 3,350 for expenses. Now let's calculate the earnings. उसने क्या कमाया? We know that he sold all the vegetables for ₹4,800. So we know that this is his earnings. Now when we compare the earnings with expenses, we know if we have profit or loss from our sales. जो हमारी सारी expenses थे, everything he paid for was the cost price, and this is the amount he got from selling is selling price. And what is profit and loss? That is what we get after comparing these two. Profit. What is profit? Profit is when the cost price is less than selling price. यानी जो amount हम pay करते हैं वो amount selling price से कम हो तो हमें profit होता है, लेकिन अगर हमारी selling price cost price से कम हो तो हमें loss होता है. So what did he make? Yes, his sale price was more than cost price. Sales minus expenses is equal to profit. What is the selling price or sale price? 4,800. 4,800 minus expenses, which are 3,350. So what is the profit he made? 1,450. So now we know the cost price is the price in which the seller buys goods including all the other expenses. What is selling price? Selling price is the price at which he sells it to the customer. And what is profit and loss? That is the difference between selling price and cost price. When does he make profit? Profit is when selling price is more than cost price. And what is loss? The seller bears a loss when the selling price is less than cost price. Wasn't it easy and not confusing at all? To learn more concepts of profit and loss and all the trading commerce topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn all about it. Goodbye.